In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Notion. We're going to explore a couple of super easy and effective methods to seamlessly integrate links into your Notion pages. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into Notion. It's pretty straightforward. You can sign in using your Google account, Apple ID, or just a regular email address. If you prefer using the desktop app, that's perfectly fine too. I'll be demonstrating these methods on a test page I've set up, just so we can keep things crystal clear. Alright, let's start with the first method. On your Notion page, you'll notice there's a plus icon. That's the one next to a new block. Click on this plus icon, and a list of options will appear. From here, go ahead and search for Embed. Once you spot it, select this option. Within the Embed options, choose Embed Link. This is where the magic happens. You can paste any link you want here. It can be a website, a document, an image, or any online content that you need to include in your page. After pasting the link, it gets added directly into your Notion page, making it easy for you to access online resources without leaving your workspace. Now, on to the second method. This one's a bit quicker. If you're already typing in a text block and decide you want to include a hyperlink, simply type #embed. You'll see an embed option pop up right away. Choose that, and you'll see the same prompt as before, an invitation to enter your URL. By doing this, Notion allows you to embed and hyperlink content without interrupting your workflow. This method is just as effective and can sometimes be more convenient, especially when you're in the middle of drafting text and want to enrich it with external resources or references. And that's it. With these two straightforward methods, you can easily add hyperlinks to your Notion pages. Whether you're embedding links to enrich your notes, sharing essential resources, or just want to keep all your info in one handy place, these techniques provide a seamless way to do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to tune in for more useful tips and tricks for getting the most out of Notion. See you in the next one.